Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add an in card to your YouTube channel. What you're going to do is open up your YouTube channel and click on YouTube Studio. It's currently in beta, but it still works. Once it loads, you're going to go over on the left hand side and click on videos. And then click on the video that you want to add the in card to. Mine's how to remove the OneDrive. Click on the editor on the left hand side, and then down at the bottom you're going to see add in card. Click on that, and then choose the template that's the same as the end of your video. Mine is the one with the subscriber in the middle with the two review on the sides. And you're going to want to drag that down to the time that it is relevant. Sorry, it's lagging a little bit. There we go. Once you drag those over, you can move them to fit your template. So you can see at the end of my video I have this. Don't forget the subscribe template. So adjust the size as it may vary. Move them around to fit them perfectly. Once you're done adjusting, go ahead and hit save at the top. If you have any other things that you wish to do, please don't forget to leave a comment down below and ask me how to do it. Thank you. Bye.